Hi, my name is Mike Lucido, and I'm starting a new YouTube channel, and I'm a juicer. So here we are, ready to juice carrots, apples, and cantaloupe. I have an Omega upright juicer, and I've had it since 2012. Let us begin. That should be done. And then I'll shake this out. You're probably wondering what a juicer like this might cost. Yeah, it's about $400. I've tried buying the cheaper ones and they just don't cut it. Time to try it. Oh, that is good. That is so good. It's so good. It goes right through my mouth into my system. Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Mm. 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 When can you take an apple, 5 carrots, and an entire half of a cantaloupe and drink it? Oh. Mm. You know what? All of the nutrients, all of the vitamins, all of the power, all of the energy, it just goes right in and it begins the healing process. Your body needs energy to heal. This gives it more energy, faster, more efficiently. Now, of course, you do need some fiber when you want to heal and you want to heal fast. What I've discovered is the juice. But don't take my word for it. Do a little Google research. There'll be a few links within the description. Again, this is Mike Lucido, and this is my new YouTube channel. Hope you like it. Come back again. I'll have one at least once a week, letting you know all the things I like to share with you. Be good.